Good afternoon. There's some much awaited warm sunshine for many of us to come this afternoon. However, if you are across the south coast, skies will be that much cloudier. That's because there's a weather front lying across southern areas. You can see that by the slightly thicker cloud on the satellite picture. There's also some drizzly outbreaks of rain. It's actually relatively foggy across the coast of Cornwall. But elsewhere through the rest of the day, Northern Ireland, much of it, northern areas of the UK should be dry and fairly bright. The best of the sunshine will be across eastern coast, so northeastern areas of Scotland, eastern areas of northern England, parts of Cambridgeshire, Norfolk, seeing the best of the sunshine. In the sunshine as well, it's going to feel fairly warm, particularly compared to recently. Highs of 20 degrees in the southeast are possible, but widely will be in the high teens for many areas. However, the breeze will start to pick up later on today, particularly through the Irish Sea. So it will start to turn a little bit breezier, and this area of rain will return to northwestern areas. So parts of Northern Ireland could see some heavy rain for a time this evening, then that pushes into Northern Ireland, and it should stay largely cloudy with outbreaks of rain well into Friday as well for these areas. Further south, it should stay dry though through the night, but it's going to be a fairly cloudy night. We could see quite a lot of cloud lingering over the coasts and hills. It could be quite a murky start tomorrow morning for these areas. However, it's going to be another very mild start to the day. Temperatures again won't dip much below 10 degrees. These are much closer to the average daytime temperatures for this time of year, so it's fairly exceptional. But it will be a fairly cloudy start to the day away from the very north coast of Scotland. However, as the day goes on, for many areas the sun should break out, particularly across central and southern areas of the UK. But across Northern Ireland, northwestern areas of England, parts of Cumbria, as well as western areas of Scotland, it's likely to be a fairly overcast day with outbreaks of rain coming and going. The breeze is going to be fairly brisk, but it is a southwesterly breeze, so it will still feel fairly warm despite the rain and cloud in these areas. But further south again, in that sunshine that does break out, it'll be fairly hazy, but it will feel warm once again. Temperatures will likely climb above 20 degrees for some southeastern areas. Friday evening should stay dry for many central and southern areas, but outbreaks of rain will continue in similar areas to where we will have seen it through the daytime, and they could turn heavy for a time. It'll likely be another mild night on Friday, but then this band of rain that's persisted across the northwest through Friday will slowly start to sink southwards through Saturday, introducing much cooler air for the weekend. So it will turn a bit fresher through Saturday and into Sunday. Northwesterly wind will bring showers into northwestern areas, but across the south it should stay largely dry. If you'd like more details on your full weekend forecast, well, you can check out a full forecast with Alex on YouTube later on today. See you later. Bye-bye.